Now let's move on to back vowels. Um, we call those back vowels because we basically use the highest point of the tongue, and it's in the back part of the oral cavity. So basically, the sounds comes from the back of your mouth, and you made it. So we have plenty of sounds in this part. So let me tell you what those are. As we can see in the image, we have like an O
This is super easy to produce for us. This is the symbol for the Spanish O.
and a C, like a little C, like an inverse C. Let me tell you how those sounds in English. So basically, sounds like right. So since we didn't have like the neutral O in English, in American English, we can use another sound which is like kind of similar. In that case, that O, it's O,
O, O, O.
O, and the part like the one that looks like a C sounds most like like da, like in daughter. Oh,
Ross cut the bowl and toast it to Sean.
A couple of them were a little bit longer than expected, so I would like you to try again. Here, it's not toast, but toast. And it's not called, but cut, cut. It's a very short O. Try again.
Okay. Ross cut the bowl and tossed it to Sean.
Very good, very good. So it's actually pretty short. Ross cut the ball and tossed it to Sean. Okay, tossed it to Sean.
and then if we move to the low part, like with low part of the charge, we're gonna see like an ah. That is like I'm saying ah ah. Yeah, it's slow, open, and just relax.
Is that it's not a and it's not o either. Okay, it's somewhere in the middle. So you go o. Try to say a, but with your lips rounded like o. Yeah, like the Spanish o. So you have the Spanish a, the Spanish o. Put it in the middle. So o, o, o.
Now let's move on with examples. The first one that we have over here will be Bob's
And it's not Bob, but Bob. Bob.
clock.
It's not clock, it's clock. Clock.
Stop
It's not stopped, it's stopped. Stopped.
at 10 o'clock sharp.
And it's not sharp, it's sharp. Bob's clock stopped at 10 o'clock sharp.
Right? Second one is a cop's job. It's very hard. And Mark wants to watch his father's car.
Mark wants to wash his father's car.
Now we have the two phonemes like
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah.
so. The first one is
Very short.
this is high, close, and this is tense, right? Right? And then we have the basically we do not have like in the American English, but it will sound like you, right?
Ooh. Okay. Ooh. 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 This is the Spanish ooh. Yeah. A, E, I, O, ooh. Ooh. That's it.
So guys, that will be basically all for today. Thank you so much for seeing that video. I hope you enjoyed the rest of your week and talk to you later. Bye bye.